Okay, I just got something super exciting in today. Let's unbox SmatLeads from AppSumo together. Look at this. Clean branding and straightforward interface. It promises to find high-paying, easy-to-close leads. Perfect for local businesses, agencies, and sales pros. Let's set it up and see how fast it works. First impression? Setup is simple, no tech headaches. Dashboard is intuitive, everything is clearly labeled. I'm searching for leads in my local area now. Results are instant. Dozens of potential clients pop up. Each lead shows revenue potential and contact info. I can filter by industry, budget, or location. Let's try reaching out to a few leads. Built-in CRM lets me track every conversation easily. I love the quick notes feature for each contact. Now let's analyze what makes SmatLeads stand out. First, the speed. Finding leads takes seconds, not hours. Second, lead quality. These aren't random names, they're targeted. Most leads have higher budgets and decision makers listed. Third, closing deals feels less stressful and more efficient. The platform even suggests the best time to contact. Automated follow-ups? Yes, it's all built in here. I appreciate how it integrates with other sales tools. Exporting leads to my email list is seamless. There's also a deal tracker to monitor progress. Notifications keep me updated on every stage. Honestly, I'm impressed by the time I'm saving. No more cold calling endless lists or dead ends. If you're a local business or agency, pay attention. SmatLeads is designed to boost your revenue fast. It's especially useful for sales professionals needing results. The learning curve is minimal. Anyone can get started. Customer support is responsive, which is reassuring. Now let's talk about the deal on AppSumo. You get lifetime access for a fraction of the price. That's a huge win for small businesses and agencies. I recommend grabbing this deal before it's gone. But if you're not focused on local leads, reconsider. For everyone else, this tool is a massive advantage. Ready to close more deals and grow your revenue? Check out SmatLeads on AppSumo right now. Link is in the description. Don't miss out!